Now, if you have been wondering whether TikTok might be worth it or not, you better speed up your decision making because the Chinese video platform is steadily gaining popularity and thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners are already making good use of the free organic traffic from the platform. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to promote your affiliate or Clickbank products on TikTok without even being on camera. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through on some of the top tips of creating viral TikTok videos so you can better use it to promote your affiliate or Clickbank products. Now, if you are one of those who have been thinking of tapping into the free traffic on TikTok but would not like to show your face on videos, make sure to keep on watching this video to the end because I'll be showing you how to create viral TikTok videos without showing your face or even making the videos yourself. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money online as an affiliate beginner, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. TikTok is basically a video sharing social network, and when compared with the oversaturated platforms like Facebook and Instagram, TikTok is definitely a rising star. Just think of Instagram for a minute. Those who started growing their audience early on and started posting regularly on the platform before anyone else was doing it are today's winners. It's the same thing with writers on Medium or video creators on YouTube. The early adopters always win. Yes, I know if you have been researching TikTok now for a while, you'll come up with the argument that the TikTok audience is a younger one. But you have to also remember that Facebook initially started as a platform for students. I think every social media platform so far was first used by a younger generation until finally the parents and the older generation joined in. Now, putting aside the huge potential for brand awareness and reach on TikTok, it's now much more easier to drive traffic from the platform with the introduction of bio linking. On TikTok, just like on Instagram, you are allowed to link out of the platform only in your bio or profile area. You have the option on TikTok to link to other social sites like Instagram and YouTube. You can also add a link to your affiliate blog or e-commerce website in the description area here. Now, to be able to start driving traffic from TikTok to your profile or bio link, you first have to know what type of content performs well on TikTok. The best performing TikTok videos are the ones that are easy to replicate by the masses or are a spin-off of an existing trend. TikTok's biggest dance trends are now an integral part of popular culture, and for music artists, securing a viral trend on the platform can lead to many people downloading their tracks. However, TikTok trends are not just limited to dance routines. There are viral trends for almost everything. You have fashion and beauty trends, fitness workout trends, prank and trending challenges, and the list goes on. And usually the most successful viral trends or videos are the ones with the most basic and fun concepts. Now, if you don't know where to start on TikTok, you can check out the TikTok discovery page for more inspiration. On the discovery page, you'll find all the trending hashtags based on your niche, geographical location, as well as a breakdown of popular videos by categories. Now, when you look at the discovery page, you can't help but ask the question, how does the TikTok algorithm works? If there is a discovery feature, it means people are making search, but how does TikTok rank their search results? Now, before we dive into the TikTok algorithm and how it works, it's important to note that TikTok is known for keeping their For You page algorithm a secret. The For You page on TikTok is the mysterious landing page that is seen when a user opens the app. This page is populated by TikTok with some dark algorithm that is only known to the company. But based on Latter, the social media sharing site, there are 3 key things to learn about the TikTok algorithm. The first being that exposure on TikTok is based on the performance of each video. That simply means your videos on TikTok can still get millions of views even if you have no followers on your account. The TikTok algorithm takes into account the interaction on each individual video rather than the profile as a whole. So when a video is published on TikTok, it's been served to a smaller number of TikTok users in between popular videos on their For You page. And that's why sometimes when you're scrolling through your For You page, you often come across videos with very few likes and comments. So if you post a video on TikTok and the video is received well by the initial users who receive your video on their For You page, the chances of your video to be pumped up to a larger pool of users is very high. Which means even if you had only a handful of followers on your TikTok account, your video could still get skyrocketed to success. Now, the second TikTok algorithm takes into account multiple indicators. Rewatching videos, sharing, commenting, liking all seems to be strong indicators to the TikTok algorithm. So chances are, if the video you post on TikTok is genuinely entertaining and informative, it will likely do well and get served to the masses. The third key thing to learn about the TikTok algorithm is using trending hashtags and sounds. Hashtags and sounds are two of the best ways to boost the discoverability of your content on TikTok. Now, there is no concrete guidelines on which hashtags have the most impact on TikTok, but these hashtags are thought to increase the chances of appearing in more For You feeds. In addition to these high traffic hashtags, it's always a good idea to include hashtags that are niche to your content. This will help the TikTok algorithm to understand what your content is about and who might be interested in it. Similarly, using trending sounds can really help boost your content discoverability on the TikTok platform. TikTok users can select the sound to view all the associated videos on that trending sound. Now that you know what type of videos do well on TikTok and some of the tips that will help boost your videos on the platform, the only problem you might possibly have next is turning your videos into a vertical video and creating the videos without putting on a costume or shaking your butt. And that's where VideoTick comes into play. VideoTick is one of a kind video creation tool built specifically for TikTok. VideoTick will help you automatically find engaging and viral content, legal to use content that fits your needs and turns the content into a ready to go TikTok video. So VideoTick is a tool that will help you copy the same system that other marketers are following to get free traffic from TikTok, but only without making a fool out of yourself. With this tool, you can schedule years worth of TikTok videos using the scheduling feature. You can easily create videos with this tool without being on camera, and it works well in any language, country or niche. Just check out the complete demo of the VideoTick in action.
Alright, so this user called the Business Kid on TikTok has 124,000 followers, almost 500,000 likes, and all he posts is simple videos of whiteboard, no face videos, and he just teaches investing. And that's what I'm going to show you, how you can create videos just like these without actually spending time shooting videos and get hundreds and thousands of followers, sell your products, sell affiliate products, sell your services, or send your followers to any link. So I'm logged into my VideoTick account right over here. Now there are three kinds of videos that you can create: code videos and gift videos, which are complementary, entertaining, viral videos that you can add in between. But viral video is the trick. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on viral video. I'm going to show you how you can create a video for your TikTok in less than 5 minutes. So let's say my niche is investing. I'm trying to sell an ebook about investing. So I'm going to create a video for investing. I'm going to give it a title: investing video for TikTok 1. All right, that's my first video. My keyword is investing. I'm going to type my keyword investing. How many slides I want? I want one slide for now. Okay. I'm going to click on next. Now what this is going to do is going to go to YouTube and other video sources and find a viral trending video about investing. Now once it does that, I can clip and trim that video and create my own video out of it. So let's click on this slide right here. I'm going to find the segment that I want to show in my TikTok video. Let's play this and let me quickly find the segment I want to show. So I want to talk about speculative assets, and this guy talks about them right over here. Let's bring that. Right, so he starts talking about at 0.6 seconds. So I'm going to start my video at 0.5, and I'm going to keep my video for 15 seconds. So at 20 mark. So 5 till 20 is a 15-second video. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and type, right? I'm going to put it up top so it's visible. I'm going to add this real quick, change some color. That's all I'm going to do. Now, I can add more videos, I can add more clips, make it a longer video, but I'm just going to show you how it works. This is where I can add my logo if I want. I can add my watermark if I want. I can position them wherever I want. I want to do that. I want to just quickly create a video that I can post on TikTok tomorrow. Now, if the video that I'm posting doesn't have a audio, I can add a background music, or if I want to change the audio in that video, I can, write my own audio and write my own script, and Videotech is just going to convert that into speech using AI, and there are so many languages you can pick from. Now I'm going to click on next. I'll just create it as 720p video. I'm going to click on start creating videos. In about 2 to 3 minutes, this video is going to be ready. All right, so it literally took us 2 minutes for the video to be ready. It's successful, done. I'm going to go to trim reel and convert it into a TikTok friendly video. I'm going to click on import video from the cloud. I'm going to find my video. This is the video that I created, so I'm going to click on use this video. Perfect. So this is the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on 9:16. This is the kind of video that TikTok allows. Now I can leave it the way it is. I can drag and drop, move it, customize it the way I want. But I'm going to go to videos over here and click on no crop, so it shows up like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text and I'm going to write some text saying, and I'm going to position this right over here in the section, change the font. And that's about it. That's all. I'm going to click on scroll up, click on create. Now what's going to happen is it's going to convert this video that I just created using the viral video section and convert this into a vertical video. It's going to take another minute to render this video, but once this video is ready, all I have to do is go to scheduler over here and schedule my video to be published on TikTok. Now let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to pick a random video that I created in past, but let's say I want to post this video tomorrow, which is Monday 25th. I'm going to click on add post. This is the video that I just created, okay? So I'm going to click on this video. It's selected. Scroll down, click on next. 3 hashtags are more than sufficient. If you have the TikTok Videotech Pro version, the unlimited version, you can post it on Instagram as well. But I'm going to click on TikTok, click next. I want it to be published at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me find Eastern Standard Time right here. I'm gonna click on schedule. Bam, that's it. That's all. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern, I'm just gonna get a notification on my mobile phone where I have installed the Videotech mobile app. All I have to do is tap on that notification and the video will be published on TikTok. So it literally takes you 5 minutes to create one video and schedule it for TikTok. Now, imagine if you spend 1 hour today and take a 5-minute break after creating every video. So you will be able to create, 6 videos? Yeah, about 6 videos, right? In 1 hour, you have 6 videos created. Now, if you do this for, a week, you can create fresh new content for the entire month, right? And schedule it to be published on TikTok on autopilot and sell your PDF ebook, get opt-ins, build a list, promote your product, sell your e-com stuff, whatever. And all of it is done without you being on camera. It's that easy.
Now, I don't think you want to miss the boat on this one like many people did with Instagram and Facebook in the early days. I will drop the link to the Videotech software below this video if you are interested to check it out. And with that, I'll call this video a wrap. I hope it helps get you free traffic to whatever you're promoting online. And if you think it was helpful, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.